Babes! Babes!
Yeah.
Where you say? How you feel? How you feel?
You feel pain.
You feel pain? Come on. Come, babes. Come.
Yeah, I want fast. Babe, don't help me.
Come. You feel like in the near?
Yeah, I don't want some
You don't want a bus?
Yeah.
Sit down. Continue. And three of them in a man. Lord of God. Oi! You feel like I'm here having pity on you. Oh.
Take time.
Don't worry yourself, man. I can't go to the doctor. Quick.
Yeah, come on, get up push out.
You push out. Jesus Christ. Wait. Don't push out in the car. You hear? Don't push out in the car. Baby, wait.
Next time I drive.
Wait, don't push out in the car. Wait. Boy, come on down, word, man.
George! Wagwan, where are you, sir? Yo! Where are you, sir?
Bro, you want to believe, say? I don't even want to talk this again, dog. God knows I don't even want to talk this again. Kim, dog, breathe.
So, that's your problem?
Me can't Kim come a hospital. Come over here, so go and baby this morning. And then, you know, say normally how they do it, you know. When you have a baby, then do DNA test right away. See? You want to believe, say, dog, she have 3 pitney in her belly, dog. Push out 3 pitney, dog, and 3 of them are not for me. The DNA test show say they're not for me, them, dog.
3 of them? Not even say the middle one that come out after the first one, and of you?
None of them, dog. She have me to spend money all long, brother. How much tax me change, brother. Because what? Me a work the money, dog, and the money I go back to she, dog, and the pitney and all these things, man. You. Me not see no money out of it. And you can tell me, say, dog, none of that 3 pitney man of me, dog. Eh? You want a wicked girl on that, dog?
Yo, me understand where I got you know, but listen me. You have to just calm myself down because you see what happened to you now? Happened to enough man out there right now. So you know, if it be the first nor the last, all you have to do is just take it, accept them, see them way, nobody deny it. Just, if it right now, if you make them know that you are the father.
Brother, what you said to me? I eat that out.
That is your own flesh and blood now take care of you. They would be the one that can take care of you. So it's when them find out say you know them father, your mind until they hate him. I promise you, you have a well alright. Remember to tell that you have a well alright. So nobody deny it. No wonder that mother will get jacket. No wonder that Christmas time I come up now. So if a man need a jacket, the jacket fit you, take it. Take it.
Yo, come go have a drink, man. Because I feel foolish to say actually.
Yeah, really?
Oi man, What one?
Yeah, go on it.
Judge, our time of day now you're there so easy. How going?
How you talk about?
I go down in your yard and hear say I hope you say you're the big man. We really are deal with Judge. Where I'ma get my money now, please?
Yo, here what go on. Zin? Me left the car on a car wash there. You understand? It a wash. Me just even get it back from garage too. And left it a car wash. Cause guess what? The two struck them broke underneath the left hand side. I mean I call the man from when say me want the car.
Judge, you are telling me say all of them is something wrong with my vehicle right now?
Brother, and not even that alone. You see because of Christmas and now, transport and police upon the road. Then Lego taxi man them a time of year. When it come to December, a taxi man police deal with. You understand when they if you put on plain clothes and go out in a crowd and they out there with the people them so they can catch some criminal because I be a thief out there now, you know. That they if you do. Then they target taxi man.
Judge, let me get this understanding. We really are trying to tell me say I'm Monday. You don't have no money for give me?
No man, you have to give me one next 2 weeks. Me try to work up because I just get back the car. Me just get it back. Me don't have no money. Money what we make I me end up have to spend out back. And me have to end up going on my savings. You understand? Just give me some time, man. Because me just get back the car now. Me have to just do some hustle. Me have to just run the road. Night and day.
I'm going to be fair, you know. Because I'm an honest man. I'm going to give you some more time. But George, may I ask you, please, start make my payments them on time. I don't want to come here next week and come ask you for my money again. Please. You have bills, me have bills. So just like how you want to pay your bills and sort out yourself, me want to sort out my things them too.
Brother, me not make no money out of car, you know. So nobody feel like say true me have a car. Me not make no money because when me even make money, the money go back out in the car. That's why me not even call you. Because when me carry car come here, you know fix the car on time and you just have a car put on all along. So me can't depend on you too. So that's why me just penny out of my pocket because me have to work. You understand? So it don't necessarily mean say you have to follow me and come here. From money come and me a can money come give you, man.
Me hear you, you know. I mean, I listen to you. I mean, I make that one a slide, but I don't want you to take this as a habit. George, you need to carry my money on time. You see me? That is what me I deal with, big man.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Just give me some time, man. As I say, I carry me and wait for you because I go out there early in the evening, you know. You understand?
George, please, don't make me have to come back to you, sir.
All right.
Big up yourself.
Well, go on, man. A 2 extra days this rent the car for you, know, man. Want me not carrying some money, come give me. I want some money, you know, man, because how long you rent the car, you know, man. And see, boss just come check me for the car. I have no money for give me, you know, man. You understand? A business me I do, you know, man. If before you say car, come give me, man. You're a scammer, you know, man. When you have scam and you rent car, you have to just shoot out all that money one time. You know, rent it today and pay for it. Watch out, no, man. I don't run no skumo business, you know, man. Before you say car, come give me, man. All right. Bitch, I go away. Bitch, panic car, bitch. Up a bitch, I go away. Up a bitch, right? That's enough for me. That's a bitch, boss. That's a bitch. Yo, bitch, I go away, bitch. Yo, daddy, that's a bitch.
Yo, big man. I'm gonna get my car key, you know.
Brother, I'm telling you, man, how can I excitement?
Me say, me get my car key. Eh? Every damn day you're there out there, sir. You see it? You're there walking, you know. I'm going to call you on your phone and tell me say you're down there out here. I walk you there, you know. Yo, come give me my car key.
I Yo, come give me my car key, man.
Watch out, man. Me not no phone for a win, man. Me not no phone for a win.
Me just talk to you, you tell me say you're down there on the park. And a park, me come see my car. Yo, just give me my key, man. Me say, yo, you're a wicked, you know. Every day me link you for my money. At 3 weeks now, you have to give me money, you know. Every day me link you. If I know one thing is the other. You 3 pitney them when me hear about none of them and even fear. And you say you have to spend money on them. You say you buy 2 brand new front tire and look on the tire them.
So, brother,
Look on the tire where you say buy brand new. Look here, man, just give me my key, man, and stop it chatting with me, man.
Me chop a road, what do you mean?
Big man, I don't see no police on road. I know me not see no police. I claim say police upon road. Just give me my key.
Listen. Transport authority upon the road from when?
I'll close the man off in my car. I want you to take my things for.
Brother, take
I say you treat my vehicle.
Brother, take time talk now so people now look. Take time talk, man.
No, yo, just give me my key. Look here, man. Yo, take out the things out of this, man. Take out the things out of my car, man. Every single day you tell me say you walk. You nah walk, nothing nah go on. And I park you there.
Watch out, man. I walk me.
Take out your things out of my car, big man.
I walk me back.
Watch out. The man living in my car. Could have deal with my things. Could have deal with my vehicle. Look how the man deal with my good vehicle in my game. Big man, hurry up and take out the things, man. Take out everything, man. Could have all fuck in my car. Bag juice, bag. After you treat my vehicle, you can't treat people things so big, man. I not carry no money come. No money you not carry come. Now, man, take up your things, man, go on, man. Take up your things, man, go on.
Watch out, man. Just
And you are going to pay for them ticket there too. Me not pay for none of the ticket them. Because me get them. Can't deal with people things so. Yo, you see how the man deal with my vehicle, bossy? You see how the man deal with my vehicle? You see how the man deal with my vehicle? This is the idiot him take me for.
watch out, man.
Yo, big man.
You not fear man.
You know what I mean?
You not fear behave, some man.
Big man just go on here, man. Cause watch it. Kude kubaka. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch there. Kude. Jesus Christ, I'll pit the death by my bum. Jesus, come on. Yo, big man, just take up your things, man. Go on here, man. Watch out. Oh, God. This a man, yeah. What?
But General, watch out, man. Just give me a chance, man.
No.
Just give me a chance, man. Watch out.
Me say, big man.
Watch-
Go on now you play. Yo.
Just give me a chance, man.
Go on where you gonna, big
Give me a
man.
chance, man. Watch out.
No chance there, son.
Hold on.
You would have give him a chance. You see the man I deal with my vehicle.
See me left me roll on in
Big man. After 3 weeks now the man carry dollar come give me, you know. Not even dollar.
Yeah, my boss. Look.
He say I'm 3 pitney and he chain on my jacket. Now mind nobody.
Me I tell the man, say, say, yo, me baby mother there hospital for when? You get me? I say, me baby mother in there hospital and me not no money a come in. Be a transport up on the road. The pothole them and mash up my car. Brother, you can't come and just go and embarrass me, some man. Look at take up me. Look. Look that man, you can't do
Not
that,
even
man.
dollar me I tell us a big man. I said the man I deal with my vehicle. Not even dollar.
You can't do that, man. You can't come and just come.
Every day and come and give me excuse. Every day I'm there and come and give me excuse. If it's not one thing, it's the other. The car now work, the car work. Him say buy 2 brand new tires. Look here. Look here, brand new tires.
You can't style me out of so. You can't go and eat that car, man. You can't style me out of so. You can't disrespect me. You
You want to violate me for my things.
You much money me spend for this.
You want to violate me for my things.
You violate me out there, so. Make everybody run so look for me like an idiot. You come out there so with the
Brand new tire, 30,000.
I told everybody put for
Brand new tire, 30,000. Look the big man.
I told them everybody put
Tell me, say them people, all them money don't deserve all some wicked treatment.
Man, go man, I'm you think you can't stand.
Go from your son, man.
Take your car and go on. Oh.
George, Who that there? Richie, come on. What going on, bossy?
Come on, Joshua, I want to chat to you.
What your son say now, boss?
Alright, so here what going on now. I'm sorry to tell you, but you have to go find somewhere else live.
What meaning of this, bossy?
What you mean say what you mean this? A 2 months now, you not give me no rent,
Yeah, but watch out, man. A taxi me run, and see man take away car from me now. My baby mother have pitney, and I know for me pitney. After when me I try to hustle up some money, man. Just give me a little time now, my boss.
Alright, here what go on, George. And not even that alone make me expect you to come out of my house, You're not keeping the place good. You're not keeping the place good. I'm renting my place and I want to for rent somebody else. And I have to go spend whole heap of money for repair back the place for rent somebody else. And me expect say from what me give you one chance to say if 1 month past that alright, But when you go on 1 and I go over in a 2 and almost I go over in a 3, you got to go, George. You got to go. And word on the street is that you have a man car and they run and not give no money. So where do you do with all of the money there? You have to come out of your house, George. Sorry.
Watch out, man. Even you say I'm if clean up. And I'm supposed to clean up, Me rent here, you're supposed to get somebody if you come clean up. Me can't live and then I expect if you come sweep up yard. I'm your parent.
George, listen to me.
I understand say me owe you, but are you supposed to clean up a place, me boss?
Yes, me supposed to clean up the place. If I did want 50 or 60,000 me rent you for, then me would know say, alright, I'm clean up it. If nothing pop off, I can't replace it, anything. But not when me had charge you only 25,000. 25,000 I can pay me if you rent, pay the rent, plus me if you get somebody if you cut it, sweep up it, and maintain the place. No man, you not pay me no rent on top of that too.
But you know how it is to get 25,000, man. Police are hustle off of
alright,
me.
George.
The people them don't park hustle off of me.
George, you what? Me no no more long talking. Me just want me if you have a full understanding. Say me I give you 3 days to find something for go. And the argument closed
Boss,
and it's
just
done.
watch out, man. Just give me a little more time, man. Me I beg you, please. Me I beg you upon me pitting them, even though they man not for me. Me I beg you upon in life.
George, me sorry. If I went on 1 month, I would give you a blind and say, alright, make your hustle up sitting. But if you say you gone over 2 months, I got 3 and now you have to find something. People, you know people will want something for rent?
Give me a little bit more time, man.
No, George. You see, if I went 1 month, I don't have a full understanding. But you gone overboard, And people will want place to rent. So I just give you 3 days. 3 day time, and you find something for go.
Jesus Christ, we may find something to live now.
Good morning. You must be the new neighbor.
Oh yeah, man. I'm George.
Oh, my name is Janet.
Janet?
Yes.
Morning. Cause me I say me come in last night, but me I say me not see nobody. Me never see nobody still. Good morning.
When night come down, me go my bed,
Oh.
Me no in night duty and this stay up thing. So as early as it is, straight to my bed.
Oh,
so how you like the place?
Well, I kind of country still, but it's nice, It's very nice. Like literally, I like little environment. I like that me can go near to the river. And we have neighbors because see that the man rent one I cottage and me rent one over here, so.
Well, as me say, my name is Janet, and you is my neighbor. So any little thing you want, I'm right here. You can ask me for it.
Yeah, man. Same thing with me. If me have little salt over me, they can probably get some of it too. If
Don't
anything.
worry about it. I don't like to be the beggar. I like to be the giver.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good. That's
Yes,
very
so
good. That's very
just
good.
ask me for any little thing you want. You know me have my little mint tree around there and any little thing. If you want me little tea morning thing, you can ask me for it here. Okay.
All right. So,
Yes.
All right. Take care.
But me no make no anybody break the limb, you know, because you know when they hand bad, then did 3 we dead.
Yeah.
So ask me for it first. Just no go take it.
All
Off
right.
your own. You hear?
All right.
Okay,
That's
nice
all-
meeting you,
yes, man.
George.
Yes, man. That's some plate me there. I wash up, you know.
All right. So you don't have any children?
Children.
Are you alone live over there?
Children.
Yes, our child. You don't get no pitney?
Me don't want to talk about the picnic part, but I'm here alone live here now, man. Me don't want to talk about the picnic part.
Okay, all right then.
It's not a good thing, you know?
Yes,
Forget 3 of them and last them.
all right.
Yeah.
Later.
Janet,
How going? Oi.
you know, say, over me yard, me there. I cook some food, but it's like me throw too much water in the flour and the flour spoil. You know, no extra 2 pounds of flour in the house, I can't win me.
You no baby, you know? Every minute you a cook flour, you spoil it.
You know, I go, man. You know, say I saw sometimes you throw it extra.
Judge, listen to me now. You know you always come to me and ask me for flour. When I no flour, salt, onion or whatever. Me not tell you no lie. Me really no have no flour right now to give you. The little flour me did have this morning, me use it and fry 2 fritters and eat it for my breakfast.
But Mr. Then I feel walk and I tell everybody some news come big borrow.
Me not walk and tell nobody.
You
Everybody.
because me and neighbor me think me can come. Alright, so
So who else there somewhere than the banana tree them?
so that me I say it better me come to you than go to a banana tree go beg or go out the road go beg.
Listen,
Janet, we are neighbor, you know.
you can go over Shopee and go trust the flour flan him. Or if you have no money, go and go buy it. Cause me know your general, you know. Judge, me know your general. You will have money and act like you don't have. Me know your style. You will all have flour over your yard and come beg me flour and you have flour. God, you know if the flour spoil. You just one from everybody. When I not trust you, they trust a beg you, they beg. Got time for you talk, man, you're a big man, you know. Go look at job.
Miss Janet, me name now come to you, come beg you if me never want it, man. God be the glory, man. Me never did all do it, man. I desperate need me, and that's why me even come over here.
Well, me sorry about it, you know. Me very sorry. I don't have any. It finished from morning, and if you see the little bit when me did have, small amount me use Friday 2 fritters them this morning. Me sorry about it, as me tell you before, just go check Shopee now, man. Shopee will give you, you know. He always trust you.
You what? Where you think I could get like one of them little farmer program card there? Cause me think say, me don't want to go for one of them little farmer in there, you know.
Judge, you can go to the office them, go ask. Then give them out when the election time. Then we give you to them when you vote for them. But guess what? You know say you can't fill out no form. You go have to carry somebody with you, make them fill out the form for you. And maybe you get through, me don't know. But just try.
Then if I go down there and I want somebody, then that's why I say we are neighbor, we feel live good. Cause if you always fill out my farm them for me.
So we hold on the
You know,
job.
say the last time me can't manage to go down to the MP office to go beg no. Cause every time I go down there, they promise me until now. So me now go down to the MP office to go beg them. No.
Same way you know if you beg your neighbor and go trust over Shopee shop. You feel know if you ask one farm to go up on the farm work so you stop from beg people and they trust every minute.
Them down at the electoral office there, you know. Them know all who vote. And they know say the last election me never vote because me turn up strong and say for the last 2017 election the MP promised me something.
some board, some new sheet of zinc and some board and some from the second coming of Christ until now. So them know say them now no vote to get over me yard again. So them now not want give me. But anyways, I they go come go down and the shop they go.
Hold on. What you try say? Explain yourself good. You say you now vote again or you never voted because
Me vote already, what you mean?
what you mean they know? That mean they have my name down there. What you say? Explain yourself.
Them know say you vote because if you have your ID, them know who all who vote.
So they know say me vote.
Them know say you vote.
Judge.
And they know who you vote for too.
Hello. Me never voted, but this time, what they going in a me country, me go have to vote this a time. Yeah. And me know me they vote for. Number one, me road want fix. Me need light and water. And me want somewhere to live. Me not vote for nothing at all like some who know jump go vote for a long time for nothing at all. I want to look for him.
Listen to me, man. Me not worry about road for fix, cause me not drive no car pan if no. I mean that not important. We have many more issues than road in Jamaica.
Judge.
Right look when me there. Me can't even get no internet over me yard fit.
Inter who?
Internet.
Internet. Lord Jesus. Judge is internet. It's internet. See it? That's why I tell you, so when you go down to the office, you have to bring somebody with you to fill out the form. Because you not pronounce the word them properly. You don't know the abbreviation of word. You can't make a good pronunciation. Judge, next time you ask me what you say before you say it.
Alright, Miss Janet. Me never come over here for you to try for homeschool me.
Me not homeschool you. But me not understand what make you go on like I say no nonsense.
Alright, Miss Janet. Look more. Are they go come go down at the shop they go see if me get down.
Me sorry, so me not have a little flour for you, but next time.
Alright, no worry yourself, man. Everything alright.
Alright.
But as me said, this election me not vote. And if me even vote, me dey vote for the white man, not the big nose man. Because me tired of them sufferation and all them nonsense what they go along in the country. With the man in little precky friend them.
Jesus.
This election me not voting. Flower bag.
Oh,
Yeah, go ahead, man.
No. Where the pan?
You know what I say? Upper yard, me there. Me say I'm here come.
You come for buy something?
No man, you know say some food more and cook and I wonder if I could have just trust me for 2 pound and flour.
You must say I have one bill already.
Me know man, but much of man still get paid man. I show me not get no money yet from when.
You can't get one next bill and you have one bill.
Do you know? So you say you can't do nothing for me, dog?
You have to buy something. Yeah, you try to cut down some of my money for your bill and I can trust you with something.
You say if I get another, if I get like 1,000, I can get something.
Because I must say you buy the other day, what? Two mackerel, some rice, and some onion. And I tell you why.
1,000 I couldn't buy that still, but as me I say, just trust me 2 pound of flour man and man, the so get me come pay man.
You have to buy something first.
But me actually I have no money.
I'm sorry then.
John, I say I deal with me dog.
No brother, I don't take it as no disrespecting. I just, you know it thing go. All the way I suffer.
Yeah, I this man, I show me there for me, I don't know man. I mean, really, man, go beg nobody nothing, you know man. That's why I come and say, you know man. Because I know say me at least pay, you see me? But if me already, that means I can't to spend it. Then as me pay my bill, I can't to spend it. Because if I spend money, I can't get little something. Might as well, I just clear up my bill and just call it a day.
You better if you do that then, George, because how me I can start back my shop? Let me just trust people, so. You have to pay a bill, man. You have to pay a bill. Remember, some business me run now.
Everything good, flour bag.
Me not try to disrespect you, know, me just tell you. I'm say business me run.
Alright, bless up yourself, man.
But make sure you clear your bill, you know.
Yeah, so then I feel shout out my business so in a place make everybody hear what so me I trust your shop.
How you know see me there?
What you mean? I know a Jamaica this is thinking on the street and somebody tell me say you there but me never believe. I pass and me say me come look. Me see one car park up in the yard, me I say you must come for true.
I just reach, so how you know if you find me so quick?
You just reach.
Just reach.
Well, I right time I come. So you know care nothing for me.
You not even ask me. Whole life, yeah. First thing I come out of your mouth. If me not care nothing for you.
Gigi, Mrs. say life look good for you and life not look good for me. So that's why me glad to see you, but me just nah nothing from when me I suffer, Gigi. So that's why me will come around here. Then I cannot from find for me. You look good though. What a way you look like foreigner. Eh?
You never without you. You look a boy. So what more I pitney them?
Why? Gigi? How many minutes have you done? You know, say it turn out the tree pit never never for me.
Really?
DNA test run. Cause you know, say no, that's you're going to the hospital, they have to sign up. It says a good thing, so me did sign up for it. So when they put in name ban, they find out say I never for me. So me never bother go no further with the relationship.
So you mean the God say 3 pitney and them on a triplet, you throw them on a your one?
What a dirty girl, the wicked Gigi man. I tell you man, wicked piece of girl like that man.
Merciful Father. So anyway, what you say now?
And you me they can't check man, cause me I say me here say you come from foreign, but me never know say you just come. So I me they can't see what you care for me. Cause
Why you never care something if you couldn't care some KFC, you know, say KFC a foreigner and KFC what they are two different tastes in some.
why Gigi if he hard did it but the pocket weak. The pocket weak Gigi, me nah have no money. From when me nah have a dime, me I tell you, right now I have some flour me did I cook crawl around my yard and it spoil. So I shop me go. And the shop man until he don't want to trust me nothing. You must say me have to try to clear up that bill there. So me don't mind. But I don't know your pocket stay there if you could even give me something, me just go clear up that's there man. Cause Gigi me I tell you say you know, me not like go borrow and trust you know Gigi, me I tell you know man.
See you now, work, my brother.
Work. Nah no work Gigi, me I one little taxi there when me used to run man, you know take it from me man.
So what you say me can do for you now?
Just give me what you have for me man. You don't know what you care from me. You know can't for me.
You know me don't really care nothing for you.
God know Gigi.
Seriously.
And a Christmas.
But me did care one little TV come in, but TV not gonna help you. I think so. Me did care come
What I mean man,
me did care come put you up in a storeroom, you know?
ah man, then give me a little TV. If I take care man. Why you talk so man? Give me a little TV man. Sometimes I probably can. What kind of TV? I want I can use with the internet.
Internet or internet?
Whatever they call it. Cause sometimes me and them a talk about the little Netflix.
I want like a smart TV.
A smart TV.
Yeah, can work on the internet.
Yeah, me never little.
Like how you broke, me no want to go get you go sell the TV.
No man, me not sell it man. Nothing when nobody give me not sell man. Nothing when nobody give me not sell. Me not sell it man. Me I put it over me head man.
So you sure say TV can help you? You never saw flour and then sit there and mix and it spoil.
Yeah, but if you not no money, can give me say maybe the TV. Me not take it say man. Not anything where you can from man. Me appreciate it man. You know me brother. Me
I just come, but anyway, me can't give you the TV because me just come, but me can't really pull up anything because me tired. And that's something me.
Alright, I will go back because if anything you know man, you look your little cane and you look something where you want, you know. You want probably you want breadfruit. So deal with me good now and me deal with you good after we
I want Aki. I'll give you a list of the things that I need.
Yeah man, so
but me can't tell a friend no you can't you know when you go out, me no want no bush corner Cersei, you know. You understand? I go deep in the woods to get the Cersei because I don't want my dog piss up one.
yeah man, just give me anything where you can find to make me go and me go and look them for you for now. And you see me I want a little bicycle here. Eh?
Where you get it from?
Well, you know, say, I want a sister in me love the upper Dallas and I'm man dead left. So, nobody love this man. I'm man dead left, man. But you do say, him man not dead. Why am I do with it? So, somebody take it from him.
I remember that CTV or a brand new TV.
Mm-hmm.
A brand new TV. So nobody come face with me, you know, a brand new TV. Like people in my airport take you out of the box. I couldn't bother because they bust up the box and I just put it on the car seat. And you make car seat. So anyway,
Well, so this a TV, what me can do with it? You can go on the internet and everything.
internet,
Mm-hmm.
it can go on the internet as smart TV. Anyway, see money here. You can get the change and something.
Hey, man, thank you, Gigi, man. Thank you, man.
Me find some could change some instead of one, you know.
Yeah, man, thank you, man. I appreciate it.
I'm bank tomorrow, so you come back and check me.
Yeah, man, thank you, man. Me neighbor there, she have one bag of man I can't check him in, but me I go beg him a bit of Wi-Fi.
You see, you know,
No, but
me can't bother with you for your argument and when you talk about for your neighbor them account. What?
no, man, that Gigi, man, the amount of man come my yard when me in the day, but me I go beg him a kind of Wi-Fi. You know, must give me still, but me I beg him a kind of Wi-Fi. Because sometimes, you know, one time I can have a little girl come over, you want to watch a little movie,
You
and you,
try and remember for use condo.
all the time, Gigi.
Me listen for the news. Look here. I may hear the Ministry of Food at a other day say it's something turn up here, wrong here, you know, and a crime alone. You know.
That's what they say.
All different kind of disease, all different kind of STD and SR sort of thing. You hear me, I tell you?
Well, me a man and
Use a condom, brother.
me use me condom, Gigi, man. I chat to man, me use me condom, and so me an idiot. I mean, and I like say me attack you know, little scrubber road.
Yes, I like harder, you look good one.
Well, me a try no, Gigi. I dey try because you know, sometimes you know, sometimes little bit of coffee, little bit of water. Catch you over me yard again and see. Janet, oi! Janet,
Hello.
come on fence here. Oh, see here. How do you do?
Hi.
I want my sister come from foreign there and come on a little smart TV there for me. So I come to check if it's some little internet can put for me. Because sometimes I want to watch my little karate show them.
Judge, where you get the TV from?
You know, hear me, I say, Janet?
Me not believe you say your sister gave that the TV there. Cause this look like how where people put out a roadside a foreign and your sister take up a gear. Then I saw your sister love you. In Judge? Judge, I saw you make things look bad. You better you went go up on site, go do one labor work and go down at the Indian them place and buy one TV. Judge, me not take this from nobody.
Janet, nobody be so rank, man. Smell the TV, you can smell the Irish Spring soap. Stink panny.
Judge, move it from in front of me.
Just give me, I just look at the internet, no come for you about, man. Don't worry about the TV if it's new or old. I just look.
Judge, 1,000,000 times me will tell you, the word is not internet. It's internet. I don't want woman here deal with, so I don't know what you chat about internet. And a matter of fact, why you think me should have give you my password?
Then Janet, I want Billy I get a month time, you know. So if you give me the little, you don't even have to give me the password. You just put it on the TV. I want TV and in that white I go do. Me all the day I yard, so more while when I come in and me I eat my dinner, me can watch one of them little karate show up on the YouTube. You understand?
Why you not try to find one of the foreign girl them? And see if they can help you buy one proper something. You come with old broke now if you come you will see me internet and they face with me about a one bill. Anyway, I'm going to give it to you. But do, for the rest of the month, no come back and ask if you not me tired of you.
Alright, Mr. Just thank you for.
Me I go give you it. Me I go give you it.
Yeah, man.
You know no pencil me can write it on our pen. Or
Pencil,
so?
I want pencil me have, but you can't write pan now.
Lord Jesus. Me can't wait, me I come. Me I go screenshot it on the back of this something.
Alright, me there someone.
Uncle.
I put in a something. I mean, call me there offense. I'm just put it on as because.
Judge!
Try get one little extension for.
Anyway, my phone battery dead, so me just take one pencil and write it on that piece of paper. Yeah. Nobody lassie. Cause me give you it now, no ask me back feet again.
Alright, thank you. See?
Okay.
Thank you. If you not, you can leave some of the dinner for me, you know. How you cook?
You no want when me cook. Cause when me cook, you don't want to eat.
You know what me did I think? Other day me dey up a Miss Janet shop. I'm here, them boy talk about the Netflix. One something on the TV. Me see it on my TV, but me I try watch something, but it a tell me for sign in some another.
Me have me Netflix, and you know say me have Netflix over here. Judge, where you come about now?
You know my man who me like to watch me like karate show them and them something. And me here say I have plenty more karate show upon it than the YouTube.
You want to tell me say me give you the password for my Wi-Fi and you come back? Lord Jesus. Judge, you want Netflix what?
The password.
You want password for me? You see me wake up this morning and me pray already? Me no want you come on my fence line for the rest of the day come make me sin and swear up myself. Me cannot give it to you. You feel say everything you come to me for me figure. Judge me you're not sleeping. Go ask somebody else, but I'm not going to give it to you.
Alright, Miss Janet, keep your Netflix. Keep your Netflix. Thanks to the internet, but keep your Netflix.
You see how you stay? 1,000,000 times you ask somebody for something. And you get it. And the one time you ask for something and don't get it, you're not ready to kill them. Go on where I go, ungrateful, little rich.
Alright, not because I beg a little internet that means you can't you have to talk about it. Eh? I just a little Netflix password. But no say me have some niece over foreign them. I go beg one of them to sign me up for the Netflix. Keep your Netflix. But thanks to the internet. Oh. And nobody feel like so because you give me a little internet, you can't rank with me. Oh.
Judge! Why you come and pick me mint and don't ask me for it? Judge, me realize say you passed me morning, noon and night. You don't even call to me. You don't even say hi John Crow or hi dog. You no remember the kindness them when me do for you. You just pass me, go and pass me, come and feel say you have the right. Who authorized you? If you come in and me yard, come pick me mint. With your bad and if you come dead out me mint tree. Why you want to kill me mint tree?
Miss Janet, I never know say over here, you know. And I true me feel bad, I'm just want some little go drink like a minty and some fried dumpling with like a tin mackerel.
Whether my door lock or open, you know say me over here and you know me not there. But this time, you feel you smarter than me. You can't use the head palm me like say you have brain more than anybody else. Judge, me know your style. You think you're clever. You're not clever, Judge. You're not smart. And because me tell you say me not give you the password for me Netflix, that's why you're not even have the heart to ask me for the piece of mint. And you know me that give it to you. Why you so evil? Me cannot give you everything.
So I want a little mint tree this, you know, man. If me not papa off, what you think I got? It a go dead.
Make sure you plant peace over your yard.
But
Nobody
you know,
take
man,
you like
me feel bad and I want to go drink little tea because me feel bad. That's why me there so.
Doesn't belong to you. I'm mine.
Man, go first, man.
See,
A little minty I go along so over.
Judge, you're very disrespectful. See, you want to trace me off in my own yard to my own mint. You know what? Get yourself out of my yard. Go through me gate and come back over here.
Watch out, man. I have to come back here, yard, man. I not pray for your little Netflix password. Oh.
Don't come back over me yard.
My nieces them are fine. I go send me Netflix password. Come give me. No worry yourself.
Look here, no come back over here.
But you can't talk over one little mint. Make it mint prosper, man.
I don't fear your thief, because you don't ask for it. Judge, or you just barge in my yard and come turn on my pipe? You feel say free water? Judge, not because everything you ask if I give it to you, that means you must just come in my yard, turn on my pipe and catch my water carry over for your yard. What happened to for your pipe? What happened to your water with your yard? I want them.
Miss Janet, when can I be some man? True, them lock off the pipe over my yard, no man. That's why.
Them who?
Water commission, man. And you know, and I like say nobody run us up pay water bill either, cause the water run by gravity.
You're still later, and you don't know what I mean. You know what NWC mean?
The water warehouse.
Jesus Christ. Listen to me. I'm not ever going to national water commission. Listen what me I say. You see, you want to feel mix up argument about water commission come here yard come turn off pipe because people run here so. Now pay water because water run by gravity. Look at, Judge. Don't get me on my wrong side. If you and your combo along them, now pay water rate, me sure say meter there for me yard. Me a pay for me every month. No rank yourself, it's not cheap. It's expensive and it is not free. Next time you want a little water, ask for it, Judge. Don't just barge in my yard and do it like that.
Enough water run around, say a river we live on riverland. Water run through and I go and a little water you come be so over, Miss Janet, man. You know sound good, man. We are nearby, you know. You know sound good, man. We have to live good, Miss Janet, man. What if one at a time for your water get cut off and you have to come over for me yard? Me have to look out for you. Head and knock at my shoulder.
Me hear everything what you say. But nobody come mix me up about one water over yard, because I don't want no water over for your yard. Anyway, this is my pipe. Take the liquor water and go on. But no having in your brain say, if me no water, me a come there. Me rather go buy one tank of water. Make the truck come full me tank. Nobody with it, go on. And don't take it nobody take it for granted and come back again without asking me. You hear me I tell you? Else you know say, You see when the bill come, and me and you are going to pay if it is not me one because of the two we are use the water. Agree?
So, Miss Janet, I want bucket of water, me I come borrow over your yard, you know. Come on, man, do better than that, man. When time politicians are taking feed that, you know, man, I don't know, deal with them, so, you know, man, and I mean, I want to take some, man. Easy yourself, man. I'm just take a little water and go on, man.
Oh, you love call up a politician them name, so. You look here, fully water and go on out of my yard. And don't just come back in my yard, come take water as you feel like because you're not paying bill over here.
Alright, Miss Janet, thank you for the
Yes,
water.
just fully and go on. Me I wait for you go on. And no catch no more. Take that. Because the more water you catch, the more bill me pay for it. Go on with it. Come, see it. Here, take it. Go on. No come back without asking me, please. Just go on. Unless you plan to help me pay feet, and me tell you already.
Then I say I'll be able to little water.
Yes.
I don't even want it to, man. Make it sit there. Make it when you want it to. Take it.
You see people like Uno, do me the beg you. Not tell nobody say me your neighbor because people like Uno, me no want be no, you know.
Man,
go
go first, man. You
big
can't
piece
disrespect
of
me about
cardboard
water,
there
man.
so. And fence you off. Can not even look me now when you look over me yard. God Almighty. Can you imagine, George? Me give you the water and you take it away. Can you want me fully bucket and you not help me pay water rate and me look here, go on and no come back.
After you never did that give me that
George
clean.
is a dirty drunk, bro.
You never did that give me that clean heart.
And you can't take it with a dirty heart. You should have asked Sweet in the beginning. You just come, you know what? Don't come back on me yard, George.
Yo,
George, no come back on me yard.
The general, look, tell me if this
Sorry,
right.
say me left me gate open.
Tell me if this right.
You see,
my
uno
father.
neighbor.
Tell me if this right.
Uno
Me and I,
George,
so actually
I tell you what, let's make for your water cut off, you know, I know you come
I'm
and
go over
for
there
the water.
I'm go over there for little water, Zin. Me go over there for little water, you know. And you want to hear how she behave. Eh? You want to hear how she behave over little water? Tell me now. Is he right? You know right?
Me say no thing.
Me I say, yo. For go, man.
Morning, George. George, morning.
George. Say that answer me. What George do? Grandma said me did come. George! See, I really tell me say, man, go on next man shop with the man.
Shappy,
How can Miss Janet?
let's don't look out of space. So.
I wait for somebody to come by something because nothing now go on in the idea.
Nothing not going in idea right now. All of the bulb them over me yard blow. One couple bulb. You don't have no bulb over here? You don't have no bulb?
You truck no carry no bulb today.
Shappy, you want to tell me say you have this a big shop here with everything. And you don't have bulb? You need to sell bulb. Money depend bulb.
Me get some bulb. Worry yourself. But I can't check down a Matthew down on the road.
Make the bulb stay. Maybe get you one different shop.
You
You know say. Lord Jesus, my neighbor. You know how many
Why?
dirty judge.
Now have to tell me.
What a man corrupt. The man full of corruption and bad mind so till. Shappy, you know what he do to me? Malice me big time. Pass me and he not chat to me. Me not do that but I say talk because the way him behave, I chat he not chat to me. Guess why? Why you think he not talk to me?
Why not talk to you now?
No, because he tell me say me fi give me password for me Netflix. The man malice me. Judge are no good smaddy. And believe me as me the righteous son under God's son. Everything he asks me for, me give it to him. X out one day when me only did have little bit of flour and me tell him, you know, say me only have a small amount of flour when me look about in the morning fry 2 fritters. You know what I'm saying? He vex with me still but me act like me don't know. You know say? After me tell him say me can't give him the password for the Netflix, but me still did give him my password for my Wi-Fi. The way this dirty man ungrateful, he start pass me and not talk to me no all. I catch him in my yard, the thief me mint.
So man
He
real.
don't call to me no all and he want piece of mint and the way he heart dirty. He can't call me and say, Janet, dog or John Crow, me can't get piece of your mint. He feels saying have right over me yard to come take me mint and me dog. Talk it true now, me fi call police on him.
Of course, if you call police on him, you know, say malice me too. He have one bill for a long time, and he want to create bill on top of bill. And instead of come by my shop, the man gone up the road and gonna go buy bag juice. Tell me what me fi do now. I may a call to him and he no want answer me either.
If he no clear the bill when he have over here, not tell him so me tell us how do I know. Don't trust him nothing more because me feel say.
You don't have to tell me that. Me not gonna trust him.
Shappy, enough time when he come and beg me things, me feel saying have things over in yard. He just no want to see nobody with nothing. Don't trust him nothing more until he and you know what? A matter of fact, not even water. He can't come back and get over me yard. Me a go hardware, go buy one padlock. Then have some pipe cock where you can put the padlock in and lock it and me the carry me key go everywhere me a go with me because the boy a thief and me always left me window open. Me no want him back in my yard, me go make sure so me put on one proper gate.
You should have put on one gate for a long time, man.
This boy malice me for me one of things. Can you imagine? 1 million times them beg you sitting on the one time where you say you can't give them. Them brother not chat to you or them full of you know what?
I corrupt in corrupt cause if he not you want to pay me my money and then you want to
He
get
ain't
malice
no
me.
clean. He ain't dirty, full of corruption, and he could have never chat back to me. I don't care. I'll better when he used to beg me, me will keep if he give somebody else when he need that. Me not give him nothing.
Alright
Me don't
then.
want next shop go see if me get the bulb.
Alright
Here,
then, Miss
because
Johnny.
me no one night come down and me sleep in the dark tonight.
Alright, Miss Johnny. But if you want, oh, you can come and buy something, you know, cause we want a food.
You know, so I never believe say they are come for true.
You know me, come give me a hug. Oh.
Yeah, man, I'm happy to see you, you know.
I'm glad to see you too. You look nice though. Come on, you look nice, but you look so crushed up.
Why, if you say you have 3 pitney, you know, man, you take nothing out of you, you know.
You sound like a crushed cotton. Your clothes look like a crushed cotton. Your clothes look so.
A linen man, so you stay. So this
You look
one.
nice. Like I go back in the gym though. But anyways, I'm not come to stay too long, you know. Just come to get a look of blessings and go back.
I want the blessing still, because a long time I don't get nothing, but you don't have to hurry. You can't hurry.
Maybe I know me have things to deal with. But the next time I come spend more time and me carry baby them with me.
I don't really think that's a good idea, you know.
Why?
Me love them still, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I love them, you know, no get me wrong, you know.
And you know they love it too.
Yeah, but me just not think it right for just for care them come. So I no place for them. You understand?
Why? Come on, go.
Plus,
Come show me a place.
It has stir up too much memories, man.
What kind of memories?
As I mean,
Good memories or bad memories?
just forget about it.
Alright, but we talk about something else. Come in now and get you upset. So what you been up to?
They are still like one, you know, ping up and around and so I can get done. So not to go on still, you understand?
Mm-hmm. I'm glad to see you too. So I'm going for you, nothing I'm going for you.
Broke, man, I don't know.
No, if you broke, you know me stay ready.
So,
No, but you know me stay already. You know me love money. I may have things to deal with. You can't do that.
so money make you come over?
No, I miss you. Of course, you know I miss you. But you know me stay already. I love money. I must have to buy things, you know. I have 3 picnics for mine. You can't do me that.
Some to them father not give no money.
I say you're partially their father, you know.
No, but one to them father, them papa, for them father, but they not get, you not get no money.
Workless man. Workless and careless man.
But all I go and say, you should shame yourself, still.
God knows. You see, I'm not ashamed. I'm not ashamed. I go, me have to just don't make mistakes. Me have to just fix things and move on my life and move accordingly. But shame I go. No shame. What is shame? What that mean?
Alright, come on,
Come
here.
on.
I'm gonna get 2 juice so I can drink, you know.
So come show me the place now.
No man, just walk around and back this summer. I go to the shop and come out. Walk around, I don't really like
So
nobody.
yeah, you know me like already. Go on and come back.
Yeah man, just take
I may
off,
wait for you, you
take
know.
off your clothes.
No, you have to come take it off. You have to come strip me, but you're not easy.
Alright, my suit come.
Yeah.
So come. Yo, flower bag. Where you going? Where you going, idiot? Yo, want give me one juice, give me one light beer or something.
Other day, get up and malice me.
Flower bag, man. Left that alone, man. That was in the past, man. Me right now, me have somebody over there, you know. Just give me the 2 little juice and make me go on, man. Just forget about that, man. That was in the past, man. Let bygones be bygones, man.
George, I must say you still owe me money, you know.
Oh, shit. What yourself, man?
You disrespect me, you know. You pass me, you know, and I call to you, you know. And you go to the next shop.
I never, me tell you, man, I never that, man. Me hear you call me, you know, but I never that, man. You want to know, say, as somebody down the road that did violate me. I true me didn't have my temper, man. Me never want to take out my temper upon you, man. That's why me just go on, man. Because I know the devil stay, you know.
Alright, no problem, but same way you still go to one next shop. I miss you say you come out of the shop with bag juice up more. I know me know say the shop they not trust people.
No, man.
Me know say
no,
they not
man.
trust
You
people.
See, boy.
So I have to buy you buy.
No, man. Watch out. Sometimes I saw people getting a problem, man. Because you want to know, say, that bag juice, say, where you see me go for? As somebody left you over there for me. As somebody a pass, I'm telling you if you left you over there. But you know, say me in a chat, me telling you if you left you over there shop there. So I better go pick up. Me nah no flower bag not nah go on for me, you know.
No, not go on for me either.
Just
No.
go give me
You have to pay your bill, George. You have to pay your
Watch
bill.
out, man. Me not go pay you, man. Just collect for me and can take care of one about me change come, man. Cause me want to give back a girl one little taxi fare for you down.
Alright. But next time, George, you can't disrespect me, so man.
Flower bag, man. No man, left that alone, man. Yeah. Watch out, man. We are friends, you know, man.
Alright, George. See them here. This I change your life, you know, but me have to keep it.
No,
Because you still owe me a bill, so I have to keep it. You can't clear up the rest of your bill. George, you have to clear up the rest of your bill.
No, me dey now one good spirit today. No, me nah make it. Me nah bother no time with it.
Make sure you clear your bill.
Stop load up your business, man. Look come on.
Yeah, man. Me such man baby mother. I'm baby father, you know. I'm baby father. Get 3 pitting together.
I don't understand. What you say? You and George used to be together?
Yeah.
You give him kids and everything?
As I tell him, my name Kib.
So,
Three
Orlando, you
pitney.
live over here now?
I live over here now, but you see me often come back and forth because I come give my check from time to time. But the kids, them live with me though.
Okay, anyway, I'm your neighbor. So if you come into him, any little thing you're short and you want it, you can just call and ask me for it here. My name is Janet.
Yeah, man, as me tell you, my name Kim, and nice to meet you again.
It's nice to meet
take
you,
care,
Kim.
yeah?
All right.
Alright. So you see me a talk, you just come so sudden so.
Yo, hear me say no?
The woman seem, they never seem nice though.
Looks are deceiving, here. Me tell you that. Looks are deceiving.
That's true, but she
You
seem
just
nice.
come. You reach over there and talk to people. I think you're in a house and take off your
I
clothes.
just see her outside and she hear me from me, like, you know, woman stay and I say come to start talk.
You can't do that, man, because me and you man are dealing, man.
If you're going to say she not gonna bite me, You can't live so, you know, because if you over here and drop down and nothing there, sick I'm in a day here, eat woman the right there, so she probably can get some tea, come give her something, a little water. If you house abound down, she can throw a little water upon the house. You can't go on, so.
Me not depend on that. If the
Thanks.
situation come. You see me? A first man, me still love drink dragon and it's not really. Come on still.
I mean, first woman I do a lot of things where you experience, so I know we ain't going to suffer. Like you don't like it. Come on. I'll pull up me here. I never want me here pull up.
Enjoy yourself though.
Enjoyment is an understatement.
Right now, with the whole line I place, me have to wipe out it.
So I'm going to wait up to when you like it. Stop going so man.
Why, Miss Janet?
Aye.
Morning. Sorry about that a while ago. Here. Just come to apologize still. I tell you, say, we are neighbor now, and we're not supposed to live so. You understand? And it was petty for me to vex with you over Netflix password. You understand? Me just think say I just want simple something where you could just give me passwords. You understand? I'm a TV tag going and I come my phone or me I go give nobody a password and this. You understand? But I'm sorry about that.
You know, if you say you're a big man and a time for you go look and tap big people. Look where you vex with me over. One little password. You have my Wi-Fi password, me just not give you the Netflix password and you vex with me. And everything else you ask me for, me give you. Y'all turn on and steal me mint. You can't even have the heart to say, you go beg me piece of mint.
No man, Miss Janet, man, you wouldn't consider that as stealing.
You turn it on, you catch water, you not ask me feet, you malice me, you walk past me like we are stranger and we are neighbor. Anyway, me forgive you. But you see that little dirty attitude the way you have, you need to get rid of them. And one of his stop from malice people will always help you know. Ungrateful thing is the worst thing ever. You must always remember kindness. Because when you malice me for you know, a foolishness. You should make it reach so far. You say we are neighbor, so make we live good as neighbor. Nobody make this happen again. Okay.
Yeah man, sorry about that man. But you look nice, so where you go? You're going to town?
Yes. Me on my way to serve.
Alright, just be careful, you know. Careful of them handbag the way I carry because it thief they out now at Christmas, you know.
No in there.
Just be careful because them will take it off of you.
I'm going to phone it in there and me take out it. So, they have to go good on in here so far.
Give them it if they ask you for it.
Alright.
No pay hero.
Alright.
And then get 0.
Okay.
you don't know it go already. You see the shirt already, we don't have to tell you much what it's all about. And if you're an avid supporter of the channel, you would have recognized the shirt, Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. And if you are new to the channel, we can also tell you what it's all about. You know how it go already. Once you are a male and you reach certain age, automatically you start have shortcomings. If you want to say it like that. But put fun and joke aside. It's a male enhancement pill. It's called Dr. Jack. It's available for persons who want to, add a little spice to your bedroom. It not necessarily means you have to go through some form of impotency. You know what I mean? I say it's just for something think you are a harder, a firmer. You know what I mean? So if you want something like that, it's no Viagra, it's nothing where you have to worry about so boy, you're gonna take it to have side effects. It's all natural. It makes from natural herbs and thing. You know what I say? So if you're interested in getting it, if you are a female you're interested in get it for your husband or your boyfriend, you can make the link. See the telephone number there? Yeah, man. And see the email address, Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. You know what I say? So make the link, you know what I say, and get the product. We've been advocating it for so long because Dr. Jack is basically like family. You know what I say? They always watch a video, they always champion us on, they always lend financial support sometimes too. So we want to say thank you to him and we want to make sure so we endorse the product. So go check him out on Instagram, Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic, or you call the telephone number, him have the product. And if you're a female and you have problem if you get pregnant too, you can link him have the tonic. Not the capsule, but the liquid aspect of it too, where you can drink and clear up your system and get pregnant. So make the link right now, Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. If you are hearing the sound of my voice, that means that you simple means that you watch the movie to the end. So I want to say thank you. Now and then we try to see if we still can incorporate some of the original plays like Negril. So we are Negril today. We don't have fire. We shoot piece at the house yes, and then we shoot piece at the bus park and again. And we'll finish piece at the clinic with Popeye in night. So I want to say thank you to everybody that has always been supporting the channel. Remember to head over to the website richardbrownfilms.com and sign up for the website. Also, we want to say we are in the process of trying to get more actress, especially females, because we know sometimes when we say actress, people think it's a man we are talking, but you have actors and you have actresses. So we are looking some females who are interested in acting and want to be a part of what we're doing. We are located in Westmoreland, so if you reach out to us, you don't know say Westmoreland with it. We are 2 female, preferably if you are at least 20 and older. You know what I say? Because we want mature people. Sometimes we know young people reach out 16 and so forth, but to be honest, we want mature people who can hold a good conversation when it comes to acting and can deliver. You know what I say? So reach out to me on Instagram, Richard Brown Films, or you can WhatsApp me 295-7280 and then we can talk a little bit. So we definitely need 2 new persons because for the past year, in terms of we're moving from Nickel to Petersfield, we've been changing people and been using people and just trying to find that right core of people who can definitely be a part. We have persons like Candy who is kind of more permanent, Alton and public now and then same way. So, but we need other persons who want to act and want to be a part of what we're doing. We're still growing, I said we're 160 something thousand subscribers, almost 170,000 subscribers. So still show that some amount of growth are going. We want to at least at some point in time head out from YouTube, not say completely, but try other streaming platform at some point in time. So that is the whole process. And if persons out here to want to contribute financially towards what we are doing, feel free to reach out to me because we always need all the help that we can get. So big up on yourself, continue to show support while we continue to do what we are doing. All right? Them Alton.
Let's see that about the movie.
Yeah, see him Natalie
that's
want coming on the movie too.
I hope that's how we live now.
No, your brother live at Williamson, but
Miss Pauline dead up there.
Yeah, Miss Pauline.
Yeah, man, the boy could go from your man. I saw the man do with people things. As a man, I have to say, yo, I want a movie.